Today I am happy to welcome you here because I am going to make some homemade hand sanitizer. I've never made it before and I've never made anything with essential oils before, so this is going to be really fun. These are the ingredients. You need your alcohol so that you can kill all those germs. This kind is the 95% alcohol. You need at least 60, so check the alcohol content before you pick which kind you're going to use. I have 3 different essential oils. By the way, I got this recipe from Marcy Crabtree. These are all kinds that you can order direct from Rocky Mountain Oils. This one is tea tree and orange and lemon. Then you need the gel, aloe vera gel. I got this one from Amazon from 7 Minerals, and some little containers. I also ordered these off of Amazon, so I'll link to everything below the video and you can find these things yourself. So the first thing you need is 2 ounces of the alcohol. So 2 ounces. And 1 ounce of the aloe vera gel. 1 ounce is the same as 1/8 of a cup, so I have a little 1/8 of a cup here to put that in. There we go. Make sure we get it all out. Scraper. Then I'm going to use 10 drops of each of the essential oils. So 10 of the tea tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 of the lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 of the orange. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we will mix this up. And pour it into our little bottles. So I have a funnel to help me accomplish this. There we go. Let's see if I can do it without someone helping me. And I overflowed. So we will save some of that for the next bottle. There we go. And that is your homemade hand sanitizer that you can use since the stores are all out. I will rub some on my hands now. Smells good. All right,